Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you an easy way to make your cauliflower fufu or swallow. Stay tuned. To make the cauliflower fufu or swallow, I'll start by cutting the cauliflower into smaller pieces to help my blender. I'll be washing the cauliflower. I'll be using the steaming method to cook the cauliflower. You can also use boiling method if you like. Adding some water into a pan, place my steaming basket. Then I will add the sliced cauliflower, cover and allow to steam. After about 10 minutes of steaming, you will notice that the cauliflower is now tender. So I will turn off the heat. I'll be adding the cauliflower into the blender. Add a little water. Then I will blend into a smooth puree. We'll add the blended cauliflower into a pot. Be adding a tablespoon of psyllium husk. If you like, you can add more depending on the quantity of the cauliflower you are using. Start stirring until the fufu dough is formed. Continue stirring until you notice that the fufu have thickened. Stirring, you notice that the corn flour fufu have thickened. So I'll be turning off the heat. Pour flour fufu into a bowl to give it a shape. Fufu or swallow is ready. You can enjoy it with any soup of your choice. Thank you all for watching.